Continue our series of quick facts about the USA, we're going to be looking at Colorado, which became a state as the 38th state on August 1st, 1876. The capital is in Denver, and its nickname is the Centennial State. Anyone know what centennial means? That means 100. And so it's the Centennial State. Can you guess why? If it joined the Union in 1876, when did the first state join? 1776. And so 100 years later, here came Colorado as our 38th state. Interesting other facts about it. The flower is the Rocky Mountain columbine. I've never seen that, but I imagine it's probably a very pretty flower. So Colorado is in the western central United States. It's bordered by several states. It has Utah on the west, and then it has Kansas, Nebraska, North and South Dakota, New Mexico, and Oklahoma all also border it. And Arizona, depends on how you count the four corners. It might, because I mentioned earlier when we looked at a couple of those other states, there's four corners where you can put one hand and one foot in four different states at the same time. And so that would be Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, and Colorado. And so whether the two in the diagonal touch or not, that's, I guess, maybe up to your opinion. The history of it, it comes from a Spanish word for ruddy or red. They were explored by Colonel Zebulon Pike, and then that's when he found the mountains, and they now bear his name. Pikes Peak is a famous mountain peak out there, one that I've actually been to when I visited Colorado. It became part of the United States. Most of the Colorado did with Louisiana Purchase in 1803. And we talked about in California, if you've already listened to that one, they discovered gold in 1848. Well, in 1858, they discovered gold in Denver, and then they also found a lot of silver. And so mining became really, really important to Colorado. And so 100 years after the signed Declaration of Independence in 1876, Colorado joined our union. With the vast mountain ranges, they have lots of recreational opportunities. They also have rodeos, skiing, water sports, hiking, camping, horseback riding, all those things. They also have a couple of key universities with spring athletics, along with a couple of key sports with basketball, football, and baseball. Colorado Springs is known as a very popular place to go visit, along with Pikes Peak, and so those are a couple of places to go. And Colorado is believed to be the first place that had silver found in the United States, which we mentioned earlier was in 1878, and that's a little bit about Colorado.